Welcome to another episode of Your Digital Makeover. My name is Jerry Colbert, and in today's episode, I'm going to be going over Notion. And it's all coming up next. So, in today's episode, I want to go ahead and start it off with just saying I was wrong about Notion. If you watched any of my other videos, there was one particular video where I was a little harsh about Notion, let's just say. But apparently I was wrong. I have been actually using Notion for a little while now. Now, of course, I was using TickTick to manage my day. But then once I grasped the concept of Notion, which it took a while, and I really wasn't that happy with it to begin with, obviously. But once I, looked at a few things and took a few courses, so to speak, on Notion and what it can do, I'm now a Notion fan. So prior, I was not very pleased with Notion, so to speak. Wasn't really quite sure why anybody was even promoting it, let alone, why they would even sell it. Or, well, they don't even sell it. It's free, actually. But I just couldn't figure it out. And now I understand. It's the basis of what I do now. So I have this, and I'm only going to show you a little brief thing. I'll probably create some other videos later on Notion once I figure out how I'm going to show you without showing you my personal information. But anywho, I am going to show you all some stuff on Notion and why I think it's pretty awesome. And it combines, the way I've got it, it combines Evernote, a to-do list manager, and a calendar all in one. Yep. So if you look here, I have what is called my dashboard, basically. This is where I can access pretty much anything that I usually access on a normal basis. It's all right here on my dashboard. I have a little weather app here that I have on my dashboard, just kind of give me an idea of what the next few days are in weather. I have an action zone, which is where all my to-do list items reside. I have an alignment zone and a knowledge management zone. And then I have also these right here, daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, yearly, which also are part of the alignment zone. That's just quick links to get there. I have this life segment section here, which is all my life segments of my life. And they relate to my to-do list and a few other areas. And I'll show that to y'all later. But I also have some obscure dashboards that didn't really fit for what I wanted to do here in the life segments, but these are kind of separate little dashboards that I kind of access on a frequent basis. And like I say, I also have a calendar events here. It shows all of my calendar stuff that I got coming up. Like I said, I have an action zone here, which kind of shows all of my stuff that I got going on with that. You can also have a daily tracker. You can have all kinds of different databases. It's just it's a pretty cool thing that you can do, and you can kind of intermingle database data with each other and pull from other databases, create all kinds of different databases, have all this stuff linking to each other. It's just, I don't know why I was doubting it to begin with, but I guess I just didn't fully understand it. But yeah, you can do all kinds of things. Like right now, I got a travel planner that I'm working on. I got a shopping thing I'm working on. I got my dietary notes. I've got a communication log here. I've got all kinds of different stuff in here. Also down here in the, I got, one of my favorite parts is a CRM area, a nice little area for contacts where I can basically keep track of my call log with these people, with any company or whatever, and keep track of what they've done. Like for instance, Carrington Mortgage was my mortgage company. I got a body shop there. What happened at the body shop? I have a communication log there. Just all kinds of different things that you can do inside of Notion. It's just it's pretty amazing stuff here. And I even have like where is it at here? Grocery database here with all my grocery list. And then I have a master list, so I just choose which one that I want, and it'll show up in my grocery list because I can use it by filters and sorting options. There's just so much you can do in Notion. It's just crazy, and it's free. Of course, I bought their plan and everything because I needed a few extra features. But for the most part, I mean, this is pretty awesome. And I also have it for my church and for my work, my day work, and everything. So, I mean, it's definitely something else. I'll just say that for it. It's a pretty cool little system, and like I say, I'll go into it a little bit more detail later. Show you different aspects of what I'm working on and how it works and everything. But for right now, I just want to kind of give you all a brief overview of Notion. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this episode, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like button down below. And if you want to see more of these videos in the future and you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And with that being said, I want to wish you all a wonderful week, and I'll catch you in the next episode. Take care.